Hello DJI fans, my name is Karina. Welcome to DJI Mavic Air tutorials. In this video, we're going to show you TapFly.
Alright, to access TapFly, first select the remote icon on the left side of the screen, then we're going to click on TapFly. You're going to see a bar on the right to set your speed. Then, align your camera toward the horizon on the gimbal wheel. A horizon line will appear, and then tap an area where you want to go, and confirm by pressing the Go button again. Now your aircraft will begin moving toward the area that you tapped in. To change directions, simply tap a different area of the screen to redirect the aircraft heading. Now there are 4 different types of TapFly. TapFly forward, backward, free, and coordinate mode. In combination of the yaw or heading stick, you can combine a nice tilt down and yaw as you slowly push into your subject. It's like a flying dolly. In Hollywood, back in the day, this shot used to cost millions of dollars, and now it's in the palm of your hands.
Tell us what your favorite locations to use TapFly is. The ocean? Mountains? Desert? Sunset? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next one.